Fucking hell! Come on, boys! It just wheelies.
She been in the bed before she bottled the bed. Don't worry if it's hers, you ain't pay for the tag. Oh, she bad gold rings with a cooler drip. She a curly girl, but she about to go on a trip.
It's time to braid up.
Shawty got a brand new bundle. She don't front. All facts, no green blood.
It's because this fucking thing was in the way.
I didn't see anything with that. He like this. Boss side. It's broken.
Oh man. Almost man.
Back it out in reverse maybe. A little bit.
Well, I went down, I was like, oh shit.
When you can see it unfolding in front of you and you think, oh no, I'm going to hit that. Now I'm going to hit that. Charger's open as well.
I was filming on this. I was going viral.
It would have been funnier if you went in that. Are you going to hit the jump? It's kind of hard on these. I follow you because I'm not really sure where we're going. I just remember every time I come down here my chain snaps.
Let's go this way.
Oh, there's a log across it, isn't there? I thought it was a big tree. Alright, I'll follow you. Whatever way you go, I'll go. Follow you into my own death.
Daily hustle and I'm getting my stride. Clock ticking, never missing, no losing the high. Taking passing while I'm moving, then I'm taking it in. Hitting every door, crashing, and I'm moving the pin. From these alleyways, tucking, never getting away. Every package is a hustle, I'm riding away. No slowing and moving, making these kicks moving. Thrill what they take, do what they feel I create. Demons are playing, no overstand, I'm free in my zone. Drop hit, pick it up, goes full control. Don't mind in the splash while I'm making this waves like.
Jesus Christ. Oh my god, I'm covered.
I can't lie, Will, 50 kilowatts on this off-road is dangerous. It's just digging holes. Whoa! Nearly. There's a good trail around here somewhere. I don't know where it's gone though. Look, it looks a bit boggy. I don't want to take everyone straight through the deep bit. We've got to cross it, but I don't want to. Oh, hell no. Yeah, kaboom! Well, come on. While I'm filming, got to do it. Full throttle. Ah, get out! Power! Oh, look, Dad found the good way through.
I think I was going to go after that in fact before. That's what the most of.
Who's ready to get wet? Come on, boys! Oh. Huh?
Can we find somewhere muddy?
Yeah, sure. So what, so you can lay in it? Come on, we all want to see you do a one-hander through the blocks. No, you did it on camera, I can do it again. Go on, Shan, I want to see you do it in real life this time. Come on, one-hander. Go, Shan. Guys, I just had a catastrophic fail. I was doing a wheelie at about 40, got to the balance point completely like 12 o'clock. I forgot, I don't know, just zoned out and didn't press the brakes. I just come straight back on the bike, bent the bar. Could have been worse to be fair, but new bars needed. My whole front end, like, oh, that's it's just like where this hit the floor. Just not in the middle, my wheel looks over. Like, quickly just try it real quick and feel it. Proper bent, innit?
Oh, fuck. That was not very smart.
Oh. Nah, doesn't matter though. God, this is fucking horrible. Oh. That foot there. Just following Will's line. I don't think he's got a plan. I think he's just... Oh, I'm not lying, these are a bit big for this. Fucking hell, no thanks. Straight into a berm. Too wet for that today because you won't be able to brake in time. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Ah, shit.
Do you know what I don't like?
What?
Don't like when you got like, in this weather, when your front goes out.
Yeah, I hate it. I can't. I feel so sketchy. Flashing titties.
Kickstand was down as well, you know. Oh! Oh! I dropped it again! This throttle's not going to work anymore, is it?
What the hell, boy?
Oh. And my foot peg's broken though. When I fell off, it just like lodged, it just locked itself in and won't come back out.